Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Phone Mania. With God's grace, we do have the latest Iqoo Neo 10 and this is the 16GB 512GB variant. And let's start off from the unboxing. So here we are getting this sticker over here. So you can see it's written Iqoo Neo 10, Iqoo Neo 10. And okay, it's done. Okay, so here is the Iqoo Neo 10. Let's keep it over there and let's see what else are we getting. So we have the warranty card, then the quick start guide, then a transparent case which is of decent quality, and 120 watt adapter. So you can see Vivo flash charge 120 watt adapter over here, and that's a USB type C. And let's see, we have the USB type C to C data cables as well in the box, and then SIM ejector tool. So that's it. So this is the Iqoo Neo 10 in the Inferno red color. So let's see. Oh wow, so this is how it looks. And if you look side by side with the Iqoo Neo 10 raging blue color, you can see the exact same pattern, just the difference in terms of the colors. And if you look at the camera module, then you can see this ring type of light versus the normal one on the Iqoo Neo 10R. You can see the same pattern goes over here with the Iqoo Power to Win is written on over here. And the right portion, the top, the left is completely clean on both of them, and the bottom. So this is how it looks. And this is the titanium chrome color for the Iqoo Neo 10, which exactly looks like the exact color for the Galaxy S24 Ultra or the S25 Ultra's titanium gray color. So some of you might resemble this directly with the Iqoo Neo 10R's Moonlight titanium color, but actually there is a bit of differences, especially regarding the camera area. There is a big ring over the camera versus there is a sleek ring, and also there is a ring light flash versus there is a normal flash which is present outside, and it looks a big versus this is a slim. And regarding the colors, this feels more like a dark side of this titanium versus this feels more like a glossy, a bit more premium side of this titanium color. And especially around this sides also you felt a bit of premiumness for the Iqoo Neo 10. And this is the top, the left, and the bottom. So which color do you personally like? See, so this dark titanium versus a glossy titanium, but it feels exact same for both of them, no difference, but in how it looks a bit different. Now if you ask me which is the best color, I would definitely say it's a matter of personal preference. So if you are really into this premium sort of looking, then definitely titanium chrome is for you. But if you need something eye-catchy, striking at a glance itself, yeah, that's an Iqoo Neo 10. Then you need to pick the Inferno red because it's a really striking eye-catchy color. Even from far away you can notice, yeah, that's an Iqoo Neo 10 because it's a sort of this racing type of this red, orange red color. So if you look the sides, top, left, which is completely clean for both of them, and the bottom. So this is how it looks. So this is the free RAM which is available for both of them. So approximately 3.9 GB will be free on the 8 GB 128 GB variant, and approximately 11 GB would be free on the 16 GB 512 GB variant. Still, if you pick the 12 GB 250 variant, still also you are getting around 6 GB free on the 12 GB 250 variant. So I would definitely recommend picking either the 16 GB or the 12 GB variant if you are really into gaming. Else, if it is fine for you, then you could go with this guy. And one more thing, so if you are using this 8 GB 128 GB, then I would definitely recommend to turning this external RAM on for the 8 GB variants. Now regarding the storage, so approximately 103 GB is available for the 128 GB and 185 GB is available for the 16 GB 512 GB variant. So which one is your personal preference out of these two colors? Definitely comment down below.